Good day, everyone. Welcome back to my screen. My name is Excellent to him. Today's topic will be teaching what is Forex trading. Yeah, you guys have been asking this question since. So, what is Forex trading? So, disclaimer: Forex can be very risky. Do well to make your research and decisions. Make sure you do well to do that. So, Forex, look into my screen. You'll see what I'm saying. Forex means foreign exchange. Yes, Forex meaning foreign exchange market, foreign exchange. So this is a foreign exchange market, Forex. So what is Forex? Forex is a global market where people, businesses, banks and governments buy and sell currencies. Yes, Forex, it is a global market where people, banks, organizations, they buy and sell currencies. So you might be wondering, what is currency pair? I'm going to tell you this now. So you might be thinking the name currency pair, it means when currencies are paired together. You're right if you think so. Currency pair, it is the quotation of two different currencies with the value of one currency being quoted against the other. Yes, it's the quotation of two different currencies. Take note, two, only two. What to call currency pair are only two currencies that are present there. So if there are three, they are not currency pairs. With the value of one currency being quoted against the other. So the two types of currency pairs. Okay, I said two types of currencies. The two types of currencies. So number one, right here, if you can see, look my screen. Number one, we have base currency. Yeah, base currency and the quote currency. So what is the base currency? Base currency is the first currency in any currency pair. Take note of this. It's the first currency that you will see in any currency pair. And quote currency, it is the second currency in any currency pair. Yes, it's the second currency you see in any currency pair in your charts anywhere around the world. So yeah. Example, let's use GBP over USD. So the meaning of GBP is Great British Pounds. So yeah, this is the currency that the United Kingdom uses. Great British Pounds, and I guess we all know USD. It is United States dollar. So yeah, take note. So if you watch where you have Great British Pound all over the United States dollar. Remember, I told you that currency pairs. Remember what I said? It is the quotation of two different currencies with the value of one currency being quoted. It is being quoted against another. So yeah, right here, Great British Pound, which is the GBP, is quoted against the USD, which is United States dollar. So yeah, so that means the base currency is the Great British Pounds. Yeah, you're right. The quote currency is the United States dollar. Yeah, it's the second pair you can see here. Take note of that. So when someone says, what is your base and your quote currency, you what chart are you on? So you can tell the person, I'm on USD JPY, I'm on Euro USD, and so on and so forth. So yeah, some key points to know. Yeah, some key points to know in this Forex. Some key points to know. So yeah, some key points to know. Yeah, some key points to know in Forex. Number one, it is the largest financial market in the world. Yeah, it is the largest financial market in the world with over 7 trillion traded daily. Take note of this. It is the largest financial market in the world, like in the full world, with over $7 trillion traded daily. Yeah, $7 trillion traded daily. Shocking, but real. Trading happens 24 hours a day. Number two, trading happens 24 hours a day and 5 days a week. These 5 days a week is 5 working days, Monday to Friday. Yeah, because it's time goes across all currencies from the Asian to the London to the New York. So yeah, 24 hours a day and 5 days a week. It's not like crypto. Crypto, I guess, and the rest are 24/7. This is 24/5. So yeah. Third one is currency are always traded in pairs. Currency are always traded in pairs. You cannot just go and trade only your United States dollar. It is traded in pairs. Take note of that. Currencies are always traded in pairs. You can see some examples here. You have the Euro USD, you have the GBP USD, you have the USD JPY, and so on and so forth. So yeah. The fourth one, the goal is to profit from exchange rate changes. Yeah, is to profit from each currency pairs exchange rate changes. As your rates are changing, you are profiting. Either you are buying it or you are selling it. Take note of this. This is what we're doing forex trading. We either buy or we sell. Yeah, nothing much than that. So next up. So yeah, next up. Who trade forex? Who trade forex? So number one, you see the central banks and the government to stabilize currencies. Yeah, central banks and the government, they trade the forex market to stabilize the currencies. Yeah. Second one is commercial banks and corporations. Take note of this: commercial banks and corporations for international trade, and otherwise. Then we have the third one: hedge funds and investors. Hedge funds and investors. Yeah, I call them the big boys or players. That's just my way of calling it. Hedge funds and investors, the big boys. Know what I mean? Number four, we have the retail traders. Yeah, the retail traders. These are us, the retail traders. And I bit yeah, I guess retail traders are about 3%, about 3 to 5% of the forex market. 3 to 5%. I'm not sure about that, but it's 3 to 5%. Yeah. Take note of that. Individuals trading with brokers. Yeah, these are individuals trading with brokers. Remember the last time I said I'll drop a video on brokers? So let me know in the comment section if you want me to drop the video soon on brokers. Thank you. Why is forex popular? Yeah, this is a question you must ask. You might be hearing forex from your school, your close friend. Forex. Why is it popular? Why is it popular? So yeah, this is it. Number one, it is easy to buy and sell. Yeah, really easy. You just click your buy and click your sell. Why? High liquidity. It has very high liquidity. If you want to know me of liquidity, you can let me know in the comment section. Let me create a video on that. High liquidity, or you can use your ChatGPT to research about it. Number two, accessibility. With just a smartphone and a trading account, you are good to go. Exactly. With just your smartphone and your trading account, you are good to go. Also take note, forex can be very risky. So always do your research and your risk management before you jump into any other trade. Thank you. So thank you for watching to the end of this video. Make sure you like, leave a comment for me in the comment section, and subscribe. Thank you. Except forex.